Let's be honest, you didn't sign up for this because you want to learn AI. You signed up because you're tired. Tired of being the bottleneck in your own business, home. You're tired of the inbox, checking it at 11 p.m. So welcome, you're exactly where you're supposed to be. I lived the version of life where my calendar owned me, my inbox owned me, and the work I actually wanted to do, the strategic, creative, big picture work that made me start a business in the first place, was happening on Sundays at 9 p.m., laying in bed. And then I met AI, not the magazine cover version, the practical version, the version that when you set it up the right way, gives you back 10 hours a week minimum, the version that lets you be a present parent and a sharp CEO all in the same day, not just after the kids go to bed. Here's what nobody else is saying out loud. The AI revolution is going to widen a gap. Women who learn how to delegate to AI right now will look up in 18 months and have a totally different business than the ones who waited. And I refuse to let that happen to women in my world. They end up being on the wrong side of the gap. And before I show you a single tool, we're walking through just the foundation. Think of it as lacing up your shoes. We help you build a personal operating system first. Your voice, your visuals, your SOPs, standardized operating procedures. Yes, every single pain point, every plug-and-play system I'll give you later falls apart without this. I learned that the hard way. It's like running a marathon, not someone else's, yours. Nobody runs a marathon cold. We are pacing. The first mile is going to feel small, and that's how you know it's working. Marathons aren't won by wanting it. They're won by 1% days. So before you close this out, pick your 1%. One mindset shift, one task that you do differently tomorrow, just one. Action precedes confidence always. What's your 1% that you're changing today? Share it in the comments. We want to know because we care.